What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. This is TMIG crypto analysis. This is week. What week is this? I think it's 14. I have to double check that, but we're gonna go with 14. So, hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. I did. Had lots of good food. Ate more than I ever have. I think I ate more on Memorial Day weekend than I did during Thanksgiving, which is saying a lot. So, you know. I got an athlete's stomach. But anyway, let's dive into this content for this week. So the Fair and Greed Index is at 17 right now. Last week, I posted a screenshot and it was at, I believe, 13 or 14. But it tells you right here, well, last week was at 11. So we are still in bearish territory, but we have seen, some upwards momentum in the last few days. And this graph measures, the sentiment in the market right now. So it's a reflection of this meter, this fair meter right here, or the greed index. So what we want to do is get back up to like the 30 or 40. Let's look at the past year. Ideally, we'll know we're in the safe zone when we're above 50. Okay. 40, you could start to get a little bit comfortable, but 50 is when I'll really be comfortable. So, hopefully this upwards price action continues. All right, so let's. I want to share this article with you that I found. Actually, this was posted in one of our trading groups, and a friend of mine posted it, so I thought it was important to cover. So, digital assets fund flows weekly report, and basically shows or goes over the amount of money that has been coming into the crypto market over the past week. So this is just a brief overview of the article. So digital asset investment products saw inflows totaling $87 million last week, pushing year-to-date inflows just past the $500 million mark to $0.52 billion, which is essentially $520 million. Bitcoin saw inflows totaling $69 million, bringing year-to-date inflows to $369 million. Due to price weakness, total assets under management are now at their lowest point since July of 2021. That's what I was saying a couple of weeks ago. Like, we haven't seen these prices since June and July of in August of last year. And I know a couple altcoins made 52-week lows, and Ethereum was one of them. Short Bitcoin saw inflows totaling 1.8 million last week, suggesting the market hasn't completely shrugged off its bearishness or its bearish undertones. Algorand, the DeFi-focused protocol, saw record inflows last week, totaling. So, who has been putting money into the market? Well, these are the companies right here. These are the hedge funds that has been putting most of the volume into the market. Grayscale, you already know them, run by Michael Saylor. CoinShares XBT, CoinShares Physical, 3IQ, 21 Shares, Purpose, ProShares, ETC Group. They have 525 million under management. And the coins that they've been buying mainly are these puppies right here, man. These These are in the top 20 on CoinMarketCap, and these are what investors are holding. These are what the whales are holding. Bitcoin, Ethereum, multi-assets, which is probably a basket of other altcoins. Binance, Solana, Litecoin, Tron. I love Tron. Polkadot. I'm very bullish on Polkadot. Cardano. Cardano's in my top 5. Ripple. Nothing to say. Self-explanatory. Ripple. Top 5 dead or alive. So, um, you can see most of the money has been into Bitcoin. Second most is Solana. And Solana is like one of Ethereum's biggest competitors right now. So, if you're not holding Solana, I would suggest you get some. All right. So let's see the chart, right? Let's see how this inflow of money has been reflected in the chart. So we actually, let me make this bigger. Oh, and by the way, if you're on Instagram, please follow us on IG, TMIG Crypto. All right, so a couple days ago, what was it? The 30th, we got our biggest candle to date. This is the biggest candle in the past, 60 days that we've had. We broke out of this consolidation area right here and made a new 30-day high. What date was this? May 14th, May 9th. Yep. This candle right here made a new 30-day high. So we finally got to close above the 10-day moving average. Okay. Now price obviously is gonna pull back a little bit, so do expect that. We're still in the downtrend, but even though we have a little bit of momentum, price will pull back. All right, let me go down to the 4-hour. So see, we got this nice moving average cross, and we hit our zone. We hit our prior support zone of 32,000. Now, in the prior weeks, I drew a line around 32,000 to highlight that was like big resistance, and let me just put that on the chart. No, I don't want that. Yep. Should probably mark this. Yeah. So going back, look at this orange line. Let's zoom out. Let's see. When was the last time price hit this orange line? So we're in 2022. So last time price hit this orange line was last year, July. Okay, almost a year. And this was the last time we had a big sell off, also. When we had consolidation and price temporarily closed below the 20-day moving average. And then the following week, we got to close above it. And we saw a rally and we made new highs to 68,000. So, and I think it was in March or April. I made a video and I said we were going to see some consolidation. Can't talk right now. Similar to this, and it looked like we were going to get the same kind of setup, but it's instead of continuing up, um, it broke down, and this told us that we were in for more selling pressure, and we were going into, you know, a bear market. So, and also you can see the moving averages cross. So that was another signal. So that happened. We made new lows, and we hit a low of what, 25,400. All right. So I wonder if I could I want to draw some fibs on this. I want to find I probably won't be able to do it on that because it's the same chart. But I wonder if I could let me see if I could hide all of these trend lines. Look, like versa. Nice price lines. Um, nah, it's not. But all right, I'm gonna delete a couple of these. Okay. Okay. All right. Because what I really wanted to do was put some fibs on this so it'll be visible. Okay. Oh, but I would need to see. Yeah, I would need to see my candlesticks. Reset. All right. Can't do it without my candlesticks. So let's measure from this low to this previous high. Okay. All right. So what do we have? Where's the 50% line? So you can see this. This 50% line came close to the resistance line that I drew right here. This one. And so what was I looking for? Yeah, the orange line. So this orange line falls in between the 7.786 and the 100 fib extension level. So I would be looking for price to go back up to this area right here. That would be big. Bitcoin could close above here, or mainly 37,000. Then that will let us know that, you know, the trend is potentially reversing, and we may see more price action to the upside. Okay. Now, for that to happen, it's not going to happen in a couple of weeks. It could be, a month and a half, maybe 2 months. But who knows? Ideally, I would like it to be, less than a month, but we know that may not happen. So, yeah, that would be nice. And that was also prior support, which is now current resistance. It's 37,000 area. 36,999, 36,922. But we'll just round it up to 37,000. So that's what I want to see. And let me look at ETH for a minute. All right. So, yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You guys see that? You see the precision? I drew this Fibonacci extension July of last year, right? Not even knowing that we would go into a bear market, and not even knowing that price would come down to this support level, the last support level of this Fibonacci extension, which is 1762. Oh my God, it came right in the zone, hit it, and now we're forming a green candle for this new week. Wow, that's beautiful. That's what you call technical analysis precision, baby. Come on. And so this was a weekly time frame. So let me go to daily, because also a key area that I was looking for ETH to close on was the 2000 level, and we got that a couple days ago. So we got a high of 2010, and now we're pulling back a little bit, which is normal. It's the 4-hour time frame. So Next target for Ethereum, you know, would be right here, 2158. Da, 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 da. Let me draw this. Let me draw this. Where is my drawing tools? So next target would be there. And my next long-term target would be up here, where I drew that resistance line, that red line. My next target, long-term target, will be there. Jeez, come on, move. Thing is giving me such a hard time. All right, that would be my second target. All right, so let's look at our favorite, the Robin Hood of the crypto market, XRP. All right, actually, um, I need to, I need the weekly. So my target, not target, but my area of, well, I guess you could say target. I wanted to see XRP get to 43,000. I mean, 43,000, 43 cents. That's what I wanted to go, and it hit that. So you can see it came down into this Fibonacci zone between 36.42 and 44.23. We're forming a new weekly green candle, which is good to see. What we look like on the daily. So as you can see, we rallied. We hit this resistance line. Price got to 43.28. And on my MT4 app, I was checking it on my phone, and that was where the, what was it, daily? Yeah, that was where, I think that was where the 50-day moving average was, if I'm not mistaken. And let me zoom in a little bit. You can see this candlestick right here. Long upper wick, doji. Hit the resistance line. Came back down. Now we're consolidating. And I was really hoping, that's when I would really take XRP seriously, when it broke out above 40 and hit 43. I was like, okay. And after Bitcoin hit 32,000 and Ethereum hit 2,000, I was like, okay, something is happening here. We may be reversing a bit. So let me go down to the 1 hour. So that was my goal for XRP, for price to hit 43,000. We did that. Now price is pulling back. Um, log. So, well, price is gonna pull back probably to like 40.55 around there, and I want to see my next target for XRP would probably be somewhere in between these two resistance lines, between 44 and 47, somewhere between there. So once it pulls back to 40 cents 55, I'm gonna take out a position and ride it up to 45 cents and hopefully 47 cents. So that's what I'm waiting for. But yeah, these fib levels I could probably delete. Select layout. Oh. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hope you guys got value from this market analysis. If you have any questions, let me know. But we're gonna see how this week goes. And if you're on IG, you can follow us, send us a DM, let us know what questions you got. All right. This is TNK Mike Mattis over and out.